When we talk about the stock market, we usually think about brokers, exchanges, and investors. But behind every successful transaction, there is an entire financial infrastructure working in the background. From holding securities and settling trades to managing investor records and regulatory processes, these services are essential to the functioning of modern capital markets. One company operating behind this financial ecosystem is Obus Financial Corporation Limited. So, what exactly does Obus Financial do, and why has it attracted attention in the unlisted market? Let's find out. Obus Financial Corporation Limited, or OFCL, has been operating in India's financial services ecosystem since 2008 and is headquartered in Gurugram, with offices including Mumbai and Gift City. Unlike a traditional stockbroker whose primary role is helping investors buy and sell securities, Obus focuses on securities services and market infrastructure. Its clients include domestic and foreign institutional investors, foreign portfolio investors, corporates, and high net worth individuals. The company's services cover multiple parts of the securities life cycle, making it an important back-end service provider for financial market participants. So, what exactly is Obus's business? One of its core businesses is custody services. In simple terms, a custodian helps safeguard and administer securities on behalf of clients and supports processes connected with their transactions. Obus is also a SEBI-registered designated depository participant for FPIS, a clearing member across multiple exchanges and segments, and a depository participant with both NSDL and CDSL. Its services also include custody and settlement, depository services, clearing services, fund administration and accounting, investor onboarding, registrar and transfer agent services, corporate action processing. Through these services, Obus helps financial market participants manage the operational side of their investments. Obus operates primarily as a financial services infrastructure provider. Instead of earning money primarily from buying and selling securities, the company provides specialized services to institutions and market participants and earns fees for those services. The more clients and assets that use its platform and services, the greater the potential scale of its operations. Technology also plays an important role. According to its free 2024-25 annual report, Obus has developed secure, scalable and automated infrastructure with real-time reporting and analytics, supporting operational efficiency and risk management. One of Obus Financial's key strengths is its diversified securities services platform. The company isn't dependent on just one service. Its operations span custody, clearing, depository services, fund administration, investor servicing, and RTA activities. Another potential growth driver is the continued development of India's capital markets. As institutional participation, alternative investment funds, foreign portfolio investment, and financial market activity expand, demand for specialized back-end services can also increase. Obus has also emphasized technology-led solutions and automation as part of its strategy for scalable growth. Overall, Obus Financial Corporation Limited operates behind the scenes of India's financial markets, providing the infrastructure and services that help institutions manage securities and investment operations. Its combination of custody, clearing, depository, fund administration, investor servicing, and technology-driven solutions makes it an interesting player in India's growing financial ecosystem.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.